Hello, good morning, good morning. So, ayan guys, ito ang recipe ni Mother. Magluto tayo. Vegetarian recipe guys, kasi vegetarian lahat ang mga kasama ko dito. So, ayan. Let's see. Watch and learn from my recipe. Oh, ayan guys, good morning. Mag-cooking time na naman si Mother. So, ayan yung mga recipe natin. Ayan. Lagyan tayo ng oil. Lagyan natin yan, garlic. At saka onion. Onion. At saka itong burger. Ayan. So, na. Ito naman guys, ang beans. Yan. Diba? At saka, lagyan natin ng tomato. Tomato pure. Lagyan natin ng tomato. One. Yan. With cheese na yan guys. With cheese na yan. So, ayan. So, natin. So, of course, Himalayan salt. O, yan. Pink salt tayo. Ayan. Vegetarian seasoning kasi vegetarian tayo. So, ayan. Seasoning na yan. Ganyan lang magawa si Mother ng beans. Beans with tomato. Lagyan natin ng garlic. Yan, garlic powder kasi mas masarap yan pag may garlic. And then is a pepper. Yan. And then actually. So ayan na. Yan na guys. Masarap na yan. Ito na yung pagkain nila. So ayan. Hi! Oh, ayan na. Ayan na ang beans. May cheese yan guys. Nilagyan natin ng cheese. Cheesy beans. So, diba? Kasi, yung tomato, may cheese na rin yun. Fried cheese. So, ayan ang pinakamasarap na luto ni Mother. Thank you for watching guys. Mga ka-Mother, good morning again. Good morning.